had the realization as I was eating my breakfast a short while ago. We're actually nearing the halfway point of this training session. We're in week 9 right now, and that means we have about 10 weeks left until the marathon. I'm on an 18-week training block for the marathon, so definitely halfway. Happy Wednesday. Feeling a little bit congested today, this morning. Kind of feel it right here, especially. Did go a little bit slower on my morning run. Just hopefully the congestion will clear up a little more. It did a little bit during the run, kind of made my nose runny, but it's okay. I'm gonna rest for the rest of the day and see how things go. But my body feels okay. It's just all up here in the head. Oh yeah, my allergies are kicking in too. I've been sneezing quite a bit the last couple days, so that sucks. Bit of a late walk today. Got a lot going on in my mind, so getting some fresh air to keep me distracted. didn't sleep much last night. Kept tossing and turning quite a bit, and my mind kept racing for most of the night. So yeah, feeling a little bit tired today. Actually slept in just a little bit, but still woke up right around the time I'm supposed to wake up. Maybe I'll take a nap later just to catch up on some sleep. We'll see. But I'm just gonna go about my day. Today we're running a half marathon, unofficially. Last mile. Long run Saturday. I'm still feeling a bit congested from a few days ago. It's not as bad as when it started. It's pretty much going away. So I didn't put as much of 100% effort in terms of my run today. And I was originally supposed to do 13, but I miscalculated on a turnaround and ended up going an extra mile. So I ended up doing 14. I'm not complaining whatsoever. It's part of the training. And there you go. Just relax for the rest of the day. That was week 9. Not much to say about this week. It's just your average training week. For our long run, we did go for 14 miles. As I had explained earlier, I went a little further than intended. But that's alright, it doesn't hurt our training in any sort of way. The extra mile is just an added bonus. And with the completion of this week, it officially means that we're at the halfway point of training. So we have about 9 weeks left until race day. And speaking of halfway, our updates for our charity fundraiser for City of Hope, we have amazingly made it to the halfway point as well. So we're now at $1,000. Thank you so much to our new donors. You are truly appreciated, and thank you for your support. If you'd like to donate to my fundraiser for City of Hope, go to this web address down here. I'll put it in the description as well as in the pinned comment. There you'll find all the information you need as to why I'm running the marathon, why I chose City of Hope, and to, donate. I mentioned this before and I'll keep saying it again. City of Hope is a wonderful organization that I've had the opportunity to work with many times in the past several years, and they do amazing work for cancer research and the advancement of cancer treatments. So please, if you have spare change and you'd like to donate, click on that link. And we'll end week 9 here. Thank you so much for joining me each week for my training progress. It actually keeps me accountable to my training and what I have to do. And lastly, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Glad you came. If you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe and like the video, as it does help and maybe reach other people to go out and have their own adventures or feel inspired for their own running journeys. So come back. We got more adventures to come, so you don't want to miss out on any of it. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.